Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by installing Fing and granting location and local network permissions so discovery works. Without those, scans fail. Once done, connect your phone to the target Wi-Fi network and open the app. Tap the scan button to start device discovery. Fing queries the router and lists IPs, MAC, vendor names, and device types so you can identify what's online. Make sure to let the scan finish. Partial lists missed devices, then move to analyzing entries. You now analyze the discovered devices to separate familiar gear from unknown entries. Tap any device to see IP, MAC, vendor, hostname, open ports, and last seen time. This data helps you decide whether it's a phone, printer, EOT camera, or rogue device. Rename known devices for future scans and add labels like living room camera to avoid confusion. If you need more detail, run Fing's port scan or ping from that device screen to test responsiveness and open services. Finish by securing anything suspicious. You can block unknown MACs from your router, change the admin password, and update the Wi-Fi WPA2/3 key to force reauthentication. Once done, enable Fing alerts and schedule regular scans so you spot new devices quickly. If a device doesn't show up or results look inconsistent, restart the router and your phone, confirm both are on the same SSID, and recheck app permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.